Let me give you some more examples on reverse percentage. Remember, with reverse percentage, you're working in reverse to find out the original. So let's say a bank gives you 3.9% interest per year, and at the end of it all, you've got 826 pounds 23 pence. How much was the original deposit? So basically, you place an amount in here. Let's call it X. After a year, you're going to get 3.9% interest. At the end of it all, you've got this amount. How much was your original deposit? So draw the diagram here. So 0, 0, 1. One represents the original, and you don't know the original, so let's call it X. Now, at the end of the year, you're going to have, well, this level will be 1.039. Have a quick glance at this. This is our 3, so that's 3%. Okay, so at the end of the year, you're going to get 3.9% interest. Now, if you don't understand this level, then watch one of the earlier videos. Okay, so this is your original here, which you're trying to find out. If you want to know 20% of the original, then you would get the X times 0.2 to give you this level. But now you know that if you get this times this thing here, it will give you this level here. Well, this level here is our final amount. So 826.23. Basically, we know that if we get the original times this, and then at the end of the year, we're going to have this 826 pounds. Okay. So now write the equation down. So it's X times this. But we normally put the number first, so it will be 1.039 times X equals 826.23. Okay, now it's just a matter. Well, the reason you can do this is because you know that if you get your original, whatever it was, times this thing here, it will give you it will equal this, our final amount. Okay, so you can put it into an equation. Once it's in the equation, then it's just a matter of finding out X. Divide both sides by 1.039. So X equals 826.23 divided by 1.039. So yeah, so punch this into your calculator, and it should give you blah 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 blah. Okay. So another example is this one here. Let's say a can company is giving you 23% extra free drink, okay, and the volume of this drink is 550 milliliters. So they're giving you 23%. They're giving you 20% extra free, and the final volume is 550. How much was the how much was original? How much was in the original can, basically? Okay, so let's draw this. Draw the diagram here. So the so the original. Hang on, 0, 0, 1. The original we don't know. But after giving us 20% extra free, so this would be 1.20. But let's forget about the 0. Just 1.2. Yeah, after giving you 20% free of charge, you're going to have, well, you've got this amount here, milliliters. Okay, so now it's just a matter of getting this times this. So this times this will give us this here. Okay, so put that into an equation. So it's X times 1.2. So 1.2x. And then it gives us 550 milliliters. So divide both sides by 1.2, basically. So 0 divided by 1.2 equals, all right, I jumped to a calculator here, clear it. 550 divided by 1.2 equals 458 roughly. Okay, so the original can, if the company didn't give you 20% extra free, you would have had 458 milliliters instead of the 550. Okay, so another example here. So a car, the value of this car depreciates 20% each year. So at the end of the year, this is the final value of the car. How much was the value of the car originally? So the value of the car is here. At the end, it's going to lose 20% by the end of the year. So at the end of the year here, this is the value of the car. But how much was the original value of the car at the beginning of the year? So draw the diagram here. 0, 0, 1. Now the original you don't know, but you know it's going to fall in value, so it's going to lose 20%. So this bit here, the value of the car drops. So this level here would be 0.8. Okay, and then well, you would normally get this times this. Okay, and then it will give you the value. So the value here happens to be 8,250. Okay, now we can put it into an equation. Well, normally original times this, which is 0.8x equals 8250. Okay, now you want to find out x, so divide both sides by 0.8. So 8250 divided by 0.8. Okay, and now jump to a calculator. Cancel 8250 divided by 0.8 equals 10,312 pound 10,312.5. Because we're working in pence, let's do it to 2 decimal places. So basically the value of the car originally, well, at the start of the year would be 10,312 pounds and 50 pence, and then at the end of the year, because it's lost 20% of its value, then the end of the year price will be this. So basically, you've just worked in reverse to find the original price. Okay.